hours before. So we are at a strange point where the president's not even 6 months into his second term, and he already looks like a lame duck to many people that were top analysts.
Yeah, this is a familiar pattern sometimes in second terms, but if you look back at 6 months ago and where Barack Obama thought he might be today, I hate to use this analogy, it's painful, but he's like my Washington Nationals. Expectations are pretty high, and he is just barely keeping his head above water. He won a pretty impressive re-election. He thought Republicans would be less resistant. I agree with Sam's examples, but the sequestration itself...
Isn't that fascinating, Al, that I remember a lot of us talking to the president before and talking to the president's people, they really believed that the re-election would make Republicans lay down their,
they did.
Swords and bend them into plowshares, and it just didn't happen.
It didn't happen.
Everybody warned him it wasn't going to happen. It was going to be just as tough